Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing up an experiment over here. So over here we can see there are a lot of ice cubes. Please ignore this one over here. Okay, so we have a lot of ices. You can see this ice is weird. Okay, it's refrozen. Okay, these are just water ice. But you will see that this is liquid. Did you pour it now? No, it is actually ethanol or your hand sanitizer, which is over here. So you can see that this structure is very cringe, that you can see it is still liquid. So let us see why didn't it freeze. But it's cold. Let's see the freezing temperature of the ethanol. So over here you can see that ethanol's freezing point is 114 degrees Celsius, where my refrigerator cannot be used in. And its formula is C250H. Its structures look like this one. You can clearly find that there are a lot of hydroxide and hydrogens combined over here. This is the ethanol structure and this is the water structure over here. You might be asking, then if we separate these two, this one and this one, can we make water? Possibly no, but scientists have not still discovered, but I think we can so, because here we are having two hydroxyls. This one is a hydroxyl, this two is a hydroxyl, and you can also use it for water, but I don't know how purity that water will be. This can be also used in the future purposes if they want water. So this H2O these two H's forms H2, and for the oxygen molecule we are just only having only one oxygen molecule over here, which can also be used over there. But my question is, it has been reacting with water in my freezer. Does it right now burn? Let us see by using a flame. So be very careful. This is done by my parents and my mother helped me during this video. So here you can see that I'm having a safety lighter and I'm going to burn it up. Okay, it started burning, I think. Okay, it's not burning. That means, okay, it's burning. So over here I'm just going to release the gas, and you can see a slight flame. Oh, that's glowing, burning up. And as it is burning, you will see that the temperature is been going below. So please do not try this at home. Okay, you can also use with your parents, but not at your home. So I'm going to just turn it off. Okay, the flame's gone. Let us mix it up a little bit. And this is a cotton, a normal cotton, and you can see that it is weird. All the edges are brown, a little bit brown. That is because of the flame. So when ethanol reacts with oxygen, it becomes the two molecules. So what here as my theory, it becomes like this. So if we are having like two O's or one over here, it must be changing up to another O, because it is reacting with oxygen. It can be also like many ones like over there, or if you add hydrogen, it will be like this one or like this one over here. So for the hydrogen we are having in our stomach, but use dilute hydrogen. I'm not going to do it, but let us try with our Drinkler, because we have hydrogen chloride in it. So how to prepare hydrogen chloride? So basically over here it's just like a normal salt. So let us see in our board. So over here you can see that we are having hydrogen, which will be like H. Okay, this is the hydrogen over here. So to change to hydrogen chloride, we are going to add some chlorine. So chlorine, when it reacts to the IDE, which you can see it over here, is really different, which means reacting with oxygen, it forms hydrochloric acid. So it will be like hydrochloric acid. So this is what we need and put it in our ethanol. So let's try it right now. So over here you can see there is some of my this gooey gooey detergent. So let me add it in the hydrogen. Okay, so over here you can see that I'm going to add it. So let me add it. If you are having a spatula, you can also use it. This is some kind of gluey, but let's put it in and mix it a little bit. Okay, you can see. Let me move a little bit forward, and here you can see it's a bit gooey, but I think it will change the color. And you can also see that there are a lot of bubbles over here, and the ethanol has changed the temperature, and this creates the hydrogen. I showed the structure below. So before I showed a structure, if you didn't see it, you have to rewind it. So mixing it would create some white substances. What are these white substances? So these white substances are from the ethanol. So this reacts like some kind of gooey substance, and it creates some kind of cringe. So refreezing it would also create the same one. Messing it up, and I'm going to touch it. Please be very careful. So you can see it's a bit gooey everywhere. Okay, so let me touch it. And it's not frozen, it's really hot. I mean, not hot, but it's a little bit okay. Let us light it up again and let's see it. I'm going to light it on a rice tray. I'm so sorry for that, but let me. It's burning up very well. Okay, it has got a flame. It's still burning up, and you cannot see it because it's a blue flame. Okay, now it's gone, and you can see the the detergent smell everywhere. This is because when it reacts, it also creates like some chloride substances, and this actually creates and salt over here. So that's it, guys, and let me see you in the next video. Bye bye.